By 2030, I think we'll see a different financial landscape across Asia. We'll see the rise of all these business-to-consumer lending firms which are growing on back of all these FinTech technologies. If the banks do not embrace technology quickly, which is doing big data analytics, which is becoming more internet or mobile friendly, it's highly likely that they lose significant market share. Banks in China were caught napping, and which is where it was a great opportunity for the likes of Ant Financials, VBank or Tenpay or Lufax, etc. because they used their data analytics well. They went into consumer lending, they went into business lending. But come to India, I mean, you've got the likes of HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, which were quick to react to this challenge from Paytm, and the opportunity was limited. There's been a fair bit of a difference in the evolution of technology adoption by the financial entities in China and India. In China, banks were still focused on, again, this business-to-business lending. You've not seen banks embrace big data analytics. Banks take into consumer lending in a big way. Whereas if you move to India, we've seen technology adoption being a lot more faster. You've got to look at the next big opportunities because somewhere in some markets, we've got smart incumbents. And technology can be replicated, can be copied in a 2-3 year perspective. After that, the game moves to scale. So either you're early, which is 3 years ahead of the pack, or you have scale. Big data is going to be the key differentiator amongst the banks, fintech companies over the next 7 to 10 years. So what we're going to see is more bespoke offerings. So the banks or the fintech companies which are doing these offerings will gain disproportionate market share. So I think big data would give the much needed tool to these institutions to decide when to slow on the lending or when to accelerate and what specifically to capture in terms of the future growth opportunities.